Alright guys, I want you to rate the sound of all three bikes we have. Starting with the 250. Oh yeah. Smoking! Oh yeah, that's nice. Okay, on to the next one. Pew! Okay, this is the 110. My little brother's bike. Oh, slap it. Ah, yeah. I don't know. This one might not start because battery's dead. And, it is not warm because it has a carburetor, but yeah. Here. Okay, yeah, we're going to move on to the next one. So, watch this transition. 3, 2, 1, shoo. Pow! Okay. My bike, the 125, just cleaned. And so it's still warm. So, about here's this thing. And it's not the best sound, but yeah, it'll do. Yeah, it's warm. Okay, we'll do a rev limiter. I bet that got the phone mad. But yeah, that's all my bikes. If you guys want to see more of this kind of stuff, just like, comment what you want me to do next, and subscribe. See ya.